Alright guys, I'm going to run my mini brat, 9:25 p.m. We're going to type live. We are live, 9:25. Sorry, I was not over the right link. There we go. 9:25, 9:25. We will grab the list. 12 spots. And I got 12 spots. We will drop that into random. We have 12 entries. Bill on the top. Robert Allen on the bottom. I'm going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 7. 7 times it is. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times. Dice is a 7. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Brian. 1 spotted it. Wow. Nice win, buddy. We have 12 entries. 9:26. We are done. We will type done. We are done. 9:26. 9:26. Verification. Timestamp.